This 2024 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2515S is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 10 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, water heater, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, awning, microwave, spare tire kit, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2515S is 5,852 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.